What's up guys, this is Sean Heather and today we are going to have a detailed review of Coolpo AI Huddle PANA, a 360-degree conference call webcam. Inside the retail box of Coolpo PANA, you will find the power adapter, a USB cable to connect the Coolpo PANA with your laptop or PC, a user manual, and the Coolpo PANA 360-degree web conferencing camera. Talking about the design, PANA does not look like a webcam in any conventional sense. It looks very beautiful and premium because of the top silver body and the fabric covered bottom part. The 360-degree fish eye lens is provided at the top that you can cover with the cap when you are not using it for the better privacy. We got the power button and 3 touch sensitive buttons for increasing, decreasing the volume and to mute the microphone. The speaker is provided behind the fabric part and the microphones we got at the top along with the camera lens. At the bottom we got the rubber foot base where you got the connection points for the power and USB cable. One drawback here is that the Coolpo PANA comes with a unique USB cable for the connectivity purpose, and if somehow you lose it, then you will have to get a new one, especially to use with the Coolpo PANA. So it would be nice if Coolpo could provide a generic port for the connectivity purpose. At the bottom we also got the LED strip that let you know what exactly is happening by showing the different colors for different commands. The smooth curves edges look beautiful and also give very premium vibe to this gadget. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, Coolpo PANA is a very gorgeous looking webcam that is going to beautify your meeting room and workplace for sure. Now talking about the features and performance, it is a plug and play device, so you don't need any driver and you can easily use it with any laptop or PC just by plugging it to the device and start using it with your preferred web conferencing software. And this is not just a webcam, as I mentioned that the unit comes with a speaker and microphones as well. So you can use the Coolpo PANA as a 360-degree webcam, a microphone, and as speakers as well. Coolpo PANA splits the screen into multiple regions to show different participants in the meeting, and you also get a total 360-degree view at bottom of the screen as well. And since there is AI in the name of Coolpo AI Huddle PANA, it comes with AI features as well. So the technology is called Meeting Flex and it uses the omnidirectional microphones provided at the top to detect which person is speaking and then bring that person in the frame to share it with the rest of the participants in the meeting. It also comes with motion sensing, so if a speaker stands up and it starts moving, then the camera will also follow him and keep showing him in the video frame. So this is very cool and a very useful feature for business meeting where more than one people are participating and speaking. The only drawback is that the vertical field of view is just 60 degrees and Coolpo does not provide any option to change the camera angle vertically. The speaker quality is quite nice, and when you are not using it for the meeting purpose, you can use the Coolpo PANA as a desktop speaker as well. The performance of the microphones are quite nice and the pickup range is up to 15 feet, so you can easily use it in a moderate size meeting room without facing any issue. Coolpo also provides the Coolpo tools for the Coolpo PANA that you can use to perform various customization. So under the picture mode, you can select how many frames you would like to broadcast during your meeting. I would prefer to go with the auto. Under the display setting, you get the option to adjust various parameters like brightness, color balance, contrast, saturation, etc. In the picture customization, you can select or lock a particular frame and then zoom in, zoom out and move around that particular frame to get the exact view that you want. Coolpo Tools also provides a block screen feature using which you can hide and block a particular part of a frame to hide some sensitive information or data during the meeting. So using the Coolpo tools, you get the option to do some customization that once again contributes in the overall experience. Overall, Coolpo PANA is a very nice and unique web conferencing webcam for the enterprises and businesses that can be used as a webcam, speaker and microphone. And the auto tracking, panning and zooming feature is extremely useful and very unique for the business meeting purposes. The design and build quality is beautiful and premium, and it will look great in any kind of workplace setup. So during this pandemic time when we are having lots of business meetings online, if you are planning to buy a new webcam, then the Coolpo PANA is the best thing that you can bring to your workplace. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.